What is up, mga hilig sa mga? This is your boy Armin and this is my co-host. Welcome back again dito sa Amoy Hiranyan. So for today's episode, we are so excited again. This time, we're going to review itong makikita nyo parang si Silver Surfer ba to? From anong tawag nun? Fantastic Four? No, this is not Silver Surfer. So, this is from the brand of two brands. This is not a Middle Eastern brand. This is from French brand, na karamihan ng dinudup nila, puro mga designer or mga niche. And this is from the brand of
YSL. It's myself, Le Absolu.
Ayun ang sinasabi ko. So, pag-usapan natin ngayon and we're going to compare these two. Are they really similar? Are they really worth it? Which one deserves more the hype? Which one deserves your pocket na mag-waste ka ng money? Pag-usapan natin yan, okay? So, Boss Terence, ikaw muna.
Okay, guys, for those who know, I love the YSL myself series, no? I own all of them. Ito yung pinaka-latest addition sa flankers nila.
Yeah?
Is Le Absolu, no?
Mhm.
So, straight to the point, ano yung difference niya? Okay, siguro naman by now familiar na yata ang halos lahat sa myself EDP, you know. It's bright citrusy orange blossom goodness, di ba?
Mhm.
Now, De La Parfum is its darker brother or sister, mas vanilla heavy siya, mas matamis
Yeah.
basically. Ngayon, ito naman ang on paper, to be honest, on paper or in the air, mahirap siyang, I would say na mas kamukha niya si EDP. Actually, ang hirap niyang i-differentiate sa test strip when yung first time ko silang nabiliin side by side, sabi ko, parang niloloko lang tayo ni YSL. Parang wala akong makuhang differences. Pero on skin, and kung talagang mabusisi ka,
Mhm.
doon mo na makikita yung difference niya. Carry niya pa rin actually yung signature orange blossom ni YSL. Pero, angat sa kanya, may ginger siya and parang cardamom nun.
Mhm.
Yung sinasabi ko kay Armin, parang, whereas myself EDP is kinda unisex, lalaki, babae, pwede.
Kayang suotin, oo.
This, for me, leans more masculine eh.
I agree with you. Ang sobrang macho yung datingan nito.
Mm-mm.
Hindi, I don't know if the metallic bottle represents as the masculine edges ng pagka parang yung muscles, kitang-kita talaga yung mga muscles, yung talagang lumilitaw yung mga veins, okay? But for me, this is also very masculine talaga because of the hindi ko alam kung naaamoy mo yung pagka-metallic accord niya, may pagka-metallic edges siya, na I think yun yung nagbibigay sa kanya na parang pagkalakas, pagka-macho datingan.
Ako naman kasi more on feeling ko yung ginger eh. It kinda reminds me of Hawas Cobra. Pero
pwede.
muted down. Pero kasi ang ginger, nagbibigay siya ng parang fizziness eh. It
Oo.
gives rough edge eh.
Yeah.
Something na wala sa original myself na
Oh yes, hindi
EDP.
present talaga.
Kasi yun parang soft boy yung dating eh.
Very powdery lavender, soft vanilla
Ito
datingan.
literal na may gaspang eh. So parang feeling ko nga parang kumbaga si myself EDP clean shaven.
Oo.
Ito parang si Armin yung medyo
May balbas.
brusko.
Oo, may pagkabalbas na.
Pero mas manly talaga.
Medyo parang mas eksperyensado. Hindi na soft boy, may
Oo.
alam na yung mali at alam na yung kalokohan, 'di ba?
Okay.
No, now this time naman itong si Nitro Elixir, if pag uusapan natin to, we will compare it to YSL myself, Le Absolu, no?
Le Absolu.
Le Absolu. Actually, ito, by the way, shout out to the CEO of the Dumont Paris. This one is gifted by me. Binigay niya to sa akin kasi I was trying to buy a bottle of this one. Hindi ako makahanap kahit sa Dubai, kahit sinong seller minessage ko, walang nagsusupply nito. So I have no choice, kailangan ko siya hanapin sa ibang bansa, pero wala naman ako kakilala sa ibang bansa. Dumating sa point na nagdasal ako na nagpray ako na sana makabila ako ng Nitro Elixir.
Naalala mo Armin,
Mhm.
lahat nagko-comment sa mga previous videos.
Mm.
Sir, Nitro Elixir naman, Nitro Elixir.
Oo nga eh.
Mas tayo naman. Sige, uto-uto, browse tayo. Putik, wala naman nagbebenta dito eh.
Wala talaga.
So ano ba yun? Hype ba siya?
Is it really deserve the hype
ba
ba?
siya sa ibang bansa?
I think na-hype siya sa ibang bansa at available lang siya sa US market. Hindi rin siya available sa Asia market sa totoo lang. Even kinausap ko din yung owner ng CEO mismo. Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo yung CEO, yung interview ko kay Mr. Ala Aljaber, from the CEO of Dumont Paris. Sabi niya, we are not yet supplying yet sa Asia countries. Sa Dubai, nagsusupply na sila pero hindi ganun. Pero more on US talaga kasi mas marami daw silang customer sa US. Pero sa tingin ko pag ito naamoy na ng mga Pinoy dito sa Pilipinas, it will start the hype na.
Mm.
It will start na.
Siguro it's a good time to explain bakit siya magiging hype dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes. I think it deserves naman talaga. Actually, the scent profile of this one, if we will compare to YSL, myself, Le Absolu, may similarities naman siya. The bottle, kuhang-kuha, kung ano talagang represent, the metallicness. But what makes this scent different than this one and stand out on its own, okay, para silang panalo, hindi ko lang kung nakukuha mo dito yung pagka may sweetness siya na wala dito.
Mhm.
May pagka parang sweetness ng parang chocolatey na ewan na may pagka-tongkay. But there is this parang dominant note. If you are familiar with, syempre, Invictus sa mga fans dyan ng mga Invictus Pakuraban or Invictus Aqua or Rasasi Hawas, okay? The melon note, the fruity bubblegum melon note is very present.
Yes.
Do you get that fruity
Yes.
bubblegum in this one?
Kakasabi mo lang ng Invictus Aqua. Actually, ang iniisip ko dito is para mong nilayer ang Le Absolu. Tapos nag-spray ka ng Hawas or Invictus Aqua.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga yung sinasabi ni Armin. Amoy na amoy ko yung parang amoy melon, yung amoy bubblegum.
Sobrang sarap ng pagka-melon niya.
So,
It's very refreshing.
honestly, sa akin, medyo dun ako na-off.
Ah,
Kasi,
okay.
kasi I like the rough edges of the ginger.
Okay.
Yun parang naging matamis siya
Oo.
sa akin. Pero feeling ko, tama rin si Armin Parang that DNA works
Oo.
I mean, for those na nakasubok ng Nitro Red ba yun?
Nitro Red at
Yung-
Nitro Red, ano yun? Elixir ba yun
Oo.
or Intensely? Hindi ko pa naamoy yung Intensely
Di ba
version.
parang Invictus rin
Invictus DNA sila.
parang
oo.
Invictus or
Yung
Hawas
kino-clone
siya, di
nila.
ba?
Yes,
So,
correct.
andun talaga yung signature bubblegum or parang melon ba yun?
It's there.
Andun
Actually, it's there sa totoo lang.
So di ko alam it's a mass-pleasing scent So siguro feeling ko, sumakay rin sila doon, nilagay rin nila dito.
Yeah.
Tapos, yun lang nga, for it comes to me as a more bagets, mas
Oo.
younger crowd yung makaka-appreciate
Mas tinatarget nila yung younger crowd dito, mga Gen Z generation, yung mas matatarget dito.
Straightforward, for me, I think this is more mature. And this
Okay.
is more mas
Bagets.
suited sa younger crowd.
Yeah. Actually, and also another fact about this scent, this is yung sweetness niya. May sweetness akong naaamoy dito na may pagka parang sugary feel. Yung parang kasi may lemon dito, may lime lemon, meron din naman dito. May ginger din to. But the lemon sugaryness dito, yung tipong, di ko alam kung kumakain ka naman ng pastry, di ba, Boss Terence? Especially yung mga pastry na more on, yung toppings na may pagka-powder, di ba, pag finishing na ng pastry, yung maliliit na cake or let's say,
Powdered sugar.
oo, powdered
Confectioner sugar.
Oo, yung nilalagay doon, yung pinaka-final toppings, naaamoy ko dito sa kanya at dito rin sa kanya. But this one is more on amplified. If you overspray it, masakit talaga sa ulo. It gives you a headache if you overspray this one. So, if you want parang ma-tame down mo siya, yung pagkasakit sa ulo, I think because of the Ambroxan Super yung ginamit nila dito, you try to parang saktong ilimit mo lang yung spray mo dito sa pabango na to, Nitro Elixir na to. While dito naman, maski mag-overspray ka, wala namang
Yes,
problema
ako
dun.
ino-overspray ko yan.
Oo. Iba pa rin ang blended ng YSL when it comes to this parang line nila ng Myself, especially the
Orange blossom.
exactly, and yung pagka-lavender softness ng vanilla. Sobrang
Sinasabi
quality
ko nga kay
talaga.
Armin parang nobody does orange blossom like YSL It
Yeah.
has its signature na amoy talaga
Diyan sila makikilala at diyan na din sila nakilala ngayon sa mga itong flankers na nire-release nila. Okay? Tapos, and also another fact about this scent, medyo sometimes I don't like wearing this scent. Sometimes I like wearing it. Pag in-overspray ko naman siya, I don't know, I do get this one, especially yung mga Dumont line. I like it. Pero kailangan mong i-limit, especially yung mga elixir, yung mga intense version nila. Totoo talaga. Kung sinabing intensely or elixir ng Dumont, wapak talaga yan.
Parang hawas, no? Parang rasasi
Parang
hawas.
rasasi hawas talaga.
Yes.
Talagang it will give you that punch talaga. So I suggest sa tingin ko, 4 sprays, 5 sprays, limit nyo lang yon. Kasama na doon yung spray sa damit nyo, you're good to go with that, okay? But this is more on parang vanillic, more on sweeter eh. Sobrang ang tamis eh. Sa tingin ko kung in-eliminate nila yung chocolatey aspect nito at yung tongka niya, makukuha nila mas marami pa sila mata-target sa tingin ko. But they have their own twist version which I like it naman din, but not that much. Ikaw ba, Boss Terence?
Ako, I get what you're saying, pero ayoko siya i-judge kasi I compare it to Hawas Cobra eh.
Oo.
Parang ako, hindi ko talaga kaya eh.
Oo.
Ang yung lakas, sumasakit ulo ko. But
Masakit sa ulo, true.
many people love it eh.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good proposition sa kanila eh. If the fragrance performs,
Yeah.
na parang minimum amount of spray, maximum performance and longevity. So I get that eh. Pero
Suwak sa bulsa nila na binayad
Oo.
nila.
so feeling ko tama kayo, may potential talaga to maging
Sisikat yan dito
Oo.
sa Pinas. Once na market na yan, everyone will buy this scent. You might love it, you might hate it, or you might just like it. Put it out, go
pero
with the other flankers
ako
na lang.
kung wari I own both of these.
Oo.
Ito kasi damn breach eh.
Mhm.
I can wear this for what? 1 week straight na feeling ko hindi ako mauumay eh.
Yeah.
And I can go careless with the sprays eh.
Yes.
Little spray, a lot of sprays.
Oo.
Doesn't make a difference eh. Hindi sasakit ulo ko.
Mhm.
Pero dito parang proceed with caution eh.
Yeah.
Parang
May warning eh.
gagamitin mo siya pero alam mo ikaw mag-a-adjust, ikaw mag-a-adapt sa pabango eh. Kundi talagang mapapenalize ka talaga eh.
Sobra.
Guys,
Sobra.
malakas to.
It's very powerful. It's parang it exudes, it exceeds the nuclear territory na. Okay?
Beast mode ba? Parang
Sobrang beast mode na siya.
na.
Parang tama ka doon yung
Beast
sinabi
mode
mo,
territory.
if Hawas Cobra hindi mo kaya, hindi ko rin kaya minsan si Hawas Cobra, but ito minsan hindi ko rin kinakayang suotin. Minsan natatakot akong suotin siya. So, I suggest, decant muna kayo. Try nyo muna to. Or kung gusto nyo, pwede kong paamoy sa inyo. Kung konti lang kami na meron ng Nitro Elixir dito sa Pinas, na meron nito kasi wala pang masyadong nakakabili nito at hindi pa na ma-market. Hopefully, ma-market na siya this year. Okay? So, this one is very 80 to 85%. Mahirap din kasi magbigay ng percentage eh.
Yes.
Pero,
But definitely wala
Oo.
sa 90%.
Wala sa 90%.
Hindi siya umabot doon.
hindi umabot kasi malayo, it has its own twist, but nandun yung DNA ng Myself La Absolute. It's there. But with the twist of Invictus or Invictus Aqua or Rasasi Hawas DNA. Okay? And yeah, let's go now talk about the performance of this one. Kamusta yung performance nito at nito sa'yo, Boss
Well,
Terence?
ito hindi nagkakalayo sa Myself EDP, no? More or less mga 6 pushing to 8 hours. It projects sa first 2 or 3 hours.
Mhm.
But dito, ano performance nito sa'yo?
Actually, ito performance na sa akin, it's lagpas na siya ng 12 to 14 hours. 3+ hours projection, sakit sa ulo, ang dami nagre-reklamo, mabango daw, pero dapat dito ako nag-o-overspray nito kasi may tinetesting lang naman ako eh, di ba? Pero yung longevity niya after 3 to 4 hours, minsan you do get wafts of it, pero makikita mo biglang may konting hangin, maaamoy mo bigla. Sabi mo, wow, ang bango nun ah. Masarap siya sa dry down. That's the magic, that's where the magic happens dito sa Nitro Elixir na to. It becomes parang ikaw na mismo susuko na kailangan ko ng maligo, matanggal ko na siya sa balat. Ganon siya kalakas. And for the sillage, grabe, nang iiwan talaga ng amoy. Yun yung masasabi ko. This one naman, aside of this one, for me, saktong 6 hours lang siya. Good projection, hindi naman ganun good, parang sobrang malakas na projection. Mas prefer ko talaga si Myself EDP. Mas prefer ko talaga yon compared to this one than the Le Parfum. I really prefer Myself EDP. And yeah, for me, highly recommended this too. Highly recommended ko siya too. But I suggest try nyo muna siya. and give it a test muna. I-full wear nyo muna siya. Huwag kayo basta-basta bibili. And iba din talaga ang testing ng pabango when you try it, you full wear it, than spraying it only one part of the skin. 'Di ba, Boss Terence?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
I agree with Armin.
Iba yung
Full wear is the key.
yeah, full wear. Kailangan mo talaga ma-full wear. And let's go now. Would you recommend this one? Which one would you recommend, Boss Terence?
Personally, guys, wag kayong magagalit.
Oo.
Assuming na same ang presyo nila,
Yes.
basing on scent and performance alone,
Mm-mm.
I would go for this.
Okay.
I think it suits more on sa age kong rin ngayon eh.
Mm-hmm.
Now, kumbaga, but feeling ko, if yung mas batang Terence will go for this.
We go,
Kasi
okay.
ito talaga,
Iba eh,
pag
iba yung
pumunta
DNA.
kang club or sa mapapansin ka talaga.
Yeah. It's attention seeker.
Ikaw.
And baka tanongin pa nila, is it okay ba na suotin to sa office or something? I think it's versatile to wear naman, but spray it with caution na lang.
Okay,
Okay?
suotin mo sa office, nasa 3rd floor ka, amoy ka hanggang 7th floor, amoy ka ng boss mo. Kung gusto mo maamoy ka ng boss mo, ay, na-late si Armin. O, huli ka talaga.
Huli ka.
Maamoy ka talaga eh. Buong opisina, maamoy ka talaga dyan.
Ganun kalakas siya, okay? Now, let's go on the ratings, Boss Terence. What would be your ratings for these two fragrances?
This one, I don't know how, ano ba? If I would rate it versus sa flankers ng mga YSL,
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a 7 kasi parang yun nga, sinabi ko nga, hindi naman siya parang break. Hindi naman siya parang sobrang iba doon sa EDP.
Yeah.
So, it didn't really impress me. I would say it's redundant if you own the EDP. But as a standalone perfume, guys, I really love the Myself DNA kasi. This one, if I'm gonna rate it as a standalone perfume,
Mm-hmm.
I would give it a 7.
7.
Okay sana yung tanggalin natin to. Okay
Oo.
naman yung scent profile niya.
Yeah.
But it's just that yung performance niya, I feel it's kind of overwhelming sa akin. But as a dupe,
Yeah.
I would say mga 6.8.
6.8
It
out
will
of 10.
remind you of this, pero I wouldn't say na it's trying to copy this. It's really trying to be it. May twist talaga siya.
May parang gusto siyang ipakitang sariling character
Mm-mm.
na ipahiwatig sa inyong lahat. Okay?
Sorry, as a standalone, maybe I'll put it at 7.8.
7.8.
Pero as a dupe,
7 to 8 or 7.8?
8 na lang, sige.
8 na lang. Okay.
Pero as a dupe of this,
Malayo,
no.
malayo. Hindi siya malapit, ganun.
It will remind you, pero
Not that much.
it also reminds me of another perfume eh. So,
Oo nga eh.
hirap eh.
Mahirap sabihin na this is a dupe of this
Oo.
one, okay? For me naman, I would give ratings sa YSL Myself Le Absolu. For me, I would give it mga siguro 7 or 6.5 out of 10 kasi it didn't impress me that much. Mas prefer ko pa talaga si Myself EDP at konti si Myself Le Parfum kasi tama si Boss Terence, redundant na siya. You don't need to waste of money unless you really love this kind of a DNA. Mas prefer mo to compared dun sa mga unang release ng Myself, okay? And this one naman, I would give it easily, for me, this is 8 to 9 out of 10 kasi pasok siya sa character ko. I really like this kind of a DNA. May konting twist. But I wish hindi nila masyado inamplified yung Ambroxan. May Ambroxan silang ginamit dito. I don't know if Ambroxan Super or Ambroxan. Sobrang lakas. That's why sinasabi ko sa inyo, be careful with the spray of this one. Kala mo wala na, pero putik, nandyan pa yung amoy niya. Magugulat ka, you will get nose blind with this perfume. Okay? So, yun lang yung masasabi namin about these two perfumes. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo itong review namin and honest take of these two fragrances. And let us know in the comment section, have you tried this one? Have you tried this one? What's your experience about this scent? Or kung may na-try na ba kayo or favorite from each brand, let us know in the comment section. And nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Till next time, Fragrance Family, like, comment, and follow and share this one. Love you all. Wag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin. Create memories because life is too short. Love you all, guys.